Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2010 Suzuki GSXR 750. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Suzuki. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key. So what we'll do is start the front of the bike, we'll work all the way around it and get a good close look at the condition. Colour wise, it's a metallic, it's like a brown colour. It's a really nice colour actually. The light in here doesn't do it justice. When it's out in the sunlight, it looks really good. So we'll start this front wheel on the left hand side. It's got fully adjustable front forks and rear shock. Really nice clean bike this. It is low mileage as well. For its year, really low mileage actually for the year. It's 2010. It's done just above 4,000 miles, I think it's done. We will check that afterwards. We'll get a look up at the dash and controls and get the exact mileage off it. As you can see in the condition of it, it looks like it's been a fair weather rider this, out in the dry. Look at the chain and the sprocket. See, it's got the little bobbins on the back there for the paddock stand. Let's get a look in at the shock as well at the back. Really nice and clean in there. Let's get a look at the side plastics. Let's get a look at the side of the seat and the side of the tank. Not sure if you can see the colour there. Let's get a look over the top then, over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Let's get a look over at the back. We'll move around to the right hand side and we'll do the same. We'll get a look down the side of the plastic, side of the seat, side of the tank. Just move the bars over so we can see all of that, all of the tank fully. You can see it does look like it's been dry stored as well. Credit to its former keeper, this one. So everything's standard on it, standard Suzuki exhaust. Let's get a look low down there. And we'll finish up at the front wheel on this right hand side. And we'll go and take a look up at the dash controls and we will get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch, starter. You've also got the mode buttons on there because it's got 3 rider modes on this. And then over on the other side you've got your clutch, your lights, indicators, horn. So let's turn this on. Let's get the exact mileage off it. And you see it is low mileage, it's done 4,294 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.